Disorders of the respiratory system. Respiratory diseases are any of the diseases and disorders of the airways and the lungs that affect human respiration. These diseases may affect any of the structures and organs that have to do with breathing, including the nasal cavities, the throat, and etc. We take our ability to breathe and our lungs for granted. But do you know that respiratory diseases are leading causes of death around the world? Diseases such as bronchitis, asthma, tuberculosis, etc. are on the rise worldwide. The rising level of pollution is one of the major reasons for this. In this video, let us try to learn about the common respiratory diseases that occur and its effects. The lung diseases are mainly of three types. First one is the airway diseases. These diseases affect the tubes that carry oxygen and other gases into and out of the lungs. They usually cause a narrowing or blockage of the airways. Airway diseases include asthma, COPD, etc. People with airway diseases often say they feel as if they are trying to breathe out through a straw. The second type is the lung tissue diseases. These diseases affect the structure of the lung tissue. Scarring or inflammation of the tissue makes the lungs unable to expand fully. This makes it hard for the lungs to take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. People with this type of lung disorders often say they feel as if they are wearing a too tight sweater or vest. As a result, they can't breathe deeply. Pulmonary fibrosis and scoliosis are examples of lung tissue diseases. The third type is lung circulation diseases. These diseases affect the blood vessels in the lungs. They are caused by clotting, scarring, or inflammation of blood vessels. They affect the ability of the lungs to take up oxygen and release carbon dioxide. These diseases may also affect heart function. An example of lung circulation disease is pulmonary hypertension. People with these conditions feel very short of breath when they exert themselves. Many lung diseases involve a combination of three types of diseases. The most common lung diseases include asthma, pneumothorax, bronchitis, COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, pneumonia, pulmonary edema, and pulmonary embolus.